Hello astute traders and market enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we demystify the markets and equip you with actionable insights. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating microcap stock that recently popped up on our rigorous screening strategies, VNRX. This isn't just about theory, it's about understanding how powerful technical setups can reveal potential opportunities even in the most unusual corners of the market. Get ready to dissect the specific data points and signals that make VNRX noteworthy. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Today, our spotlight falls on VNRX. This is a micro-cap stock, meaning its market capitalization is relatively small, often implying higher volatility and risk, but also potential for significant moves. We don't have a specific sector listed, which can sometimes be the case for smaller, less tracked companies, but this doesn't diminish the technical pattern we're observing. VNRX triggered our scanner, specifically activating the Ichizogi strategy, also known as a bear trap reversal. So, what does that mean? The Ichizogi strategy looks for stocks that have been under recent selling pressure. Essentially, bears have been in control, pushing the price down. But then, the stock begins to recover, crossing back above its 20-period exponential moving average, or EM@1T, which is a key indicator of short-term trend direction, weighing recent prices more heavily. This upward move, historically, is confirmed by an increase in volume, suggesting that buyers are stepping in and trapping the bears who were betting on further declines. For VNRX, the scanner identified this exact pattern in its past data, indicating a potential shift in sentiment. The signal for VNRX is further confirmed by our stringent VWAP and EMA alignment gate. This means the stock's price is observed to be trading above its volume-weighted moving average VWAP, which gives more weight to price levels where more shares were traded, signaling that buyers were dominant at those price points. Furthermore, the ADX, or Average Directional Index, an indicator that measures the strength of a trend, was above 18, confirming a nascent trend, not just random price noise. Finally, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, a momentum oscillator, was in the healthy zone between 45 and 68. This is the sweet spot. Momentum is building, but the stock is not yet overbought or exhausted. All these factors combined tell us that the structural setup for VNRX was, according to our scanner, in place. Technical analysis deep dive. Let's zoom into VNRX's technical landscape. Chart indicator, the EMA alignment gate for VNRX means its shorter-term exponential moving averages have been positioning above longer-term ones, a classic bullish crossover signal suggesting upward momentum is taking hold. The price trading above the VWAP confirms that buying pressure has been stronger, pushing the average price higher when considering the volume traded. An ADX reading above 18 suggests that the trend identified in VNRX is significant and not just market chop. And with the RSI comfortably between 45 and 68, VNRX demonstrates healthy momentum not yet overextended, leaving room for further potential upside. While today's reported volume for VNRX is 0 shares, with a 30-day average volume of 0 shares and a relative volume of 0x above average, it's crucial to understand this signifies extreme illiquidity. This means the scanner caught a historical pattern or a very recent, unrecorded inflection point, making any future volume surge absolutely critical for real-time validation of this theoretical setup. Imagine a situation where stock like VNRX has been beaten down, and those betting against it feel confident. That's the setup for our Ichizogi, or bear trap, strategy. This strategy essentially looks for the exact moment the tide turns, when the selling pressure exhausts itself and buyers suddenly step in, pushing the price back up. For VNRX, this meant it recovered above its EM@1T, potentially trapping those bearish traders. It's a compelling narrative of reversal, where initial weakness transforms into renewed strength, offering a potential entry for bullish traders looking for a bounce. Now for the actionable levels on VNRX. Our scanner identified a precise entry signal price at 6,630 cents. This level is where the technical conditions align, presenting a statistically favorable entry point. To manage risk, a stop-loss level has been placed at 6,597 cents. This critical level acts as our protection, defining the maximum acceptable loss and indicating if our trade thesis is incorrect. For potential profit taking, we have 3 targets: take profit 1 at 6,962 cents, take profit 2 at 7,293 cents, and take profit 3 at 7,624 cents. These levels are derived from potential resistance zones or technical extensions, representing areas where profit could be realized. What's truly exceptional here is the calculated risk/reward ratio of 1:10.6, meaning for every unit of risk, there's a potential for over 10 units of reward. While this ratio is outstanding, it often reflects the higher volatility and specific conditions found in microcap plays like VNRX, where swift, significant moves can occur. Important disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Given VNRX's unique situation with currently reported zero volume, real-time observation is paramount. The first thing to watch for is a significant surge in trading volume. Any recorded volume above zero would be a strong initial confirmation, especially if it occurs on an upward price move. We'd want to see VNRX hold above its 6,630 cents entry point and ideally continue to trade above its EM at 20. Conversely, a definitive break and close below our stop loss level of 6,597 cents would invalidate the setup, signaling that the bear trap has failed and it's time to exit. VNRX, a fascinating microcap with a compelling Ichizuki setup, offers a textbook example of how a scanner identifies opportunities based on robust technical criteria, even with challenging liquidity data. Remember, trading is about managing probabilities and risk. If you found this detailed breakdown of VNRX valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth analyses, and let us know in the comments which stocks you want us to put under the microscope next. Happy trading!